Hello, in this video I want to show you how to make macro photos with Motorola Moto E32s. And to do this we'll need to open the camera on our device, then click on the macro mode right here in the photo section. Now when you pick up your phone, make sure that it's kind of close to the object, about 4 to 3 centimeters away, and then there's also good light on this one, so it should be pretty okay. Now we can click on the shutter, and here we just made a macro photo. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.